How to add a background in Google Docs. Now what you want to do is go to Insert and click on Watermark. Here I already have an image selected, but for example this is how the entire interface looks like. I'm just going to select the same exact image, and by default it's at 100. So let's click done here, and as you can see, you can't really see the image. I advise you to go to like 200 so the image covers the entire page. For more image options, you can click here and you can adjust the transparency. You can adjust the brightness and whatnot. Recolor, this is basically changing the color. Position, the position of the image and whatnot. As you can see, the text has a white background around it and not the image. You can fix this by just selecting the text, Ctrl+A, and then click clear formatting, this icon right here. And this will basically remove the white background. So let's select the entire text once again, and I believe the font was 13. Yeah, it was. That's how you add a background in Google Docs.